The owner of this BMW went through a very serious health issue and spent years without even looking at his own car. One of his friends, who is a subscriber of this channel, asked for our help, and I couldn't ignore that request. We're going to restore the BMW without charging a single cent. On the contrary, I'll put money from my own pocket into this project because I believe this car can help improve someone's life. And this car is special because it's a BMW 318S coupe from the E36 series, still with a manual transmission, and that gives the car a special charm.